the cap. I like the drawfish kite. One cab, 4 sticks, 2 back wings, 2 front wings, and this is 1 string. And here's Dara's kite. He'll explain it to you. This is live. You can see everyone. And this is the fin of the fish.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the part you need to fly your kite string. Now we're going to make our kites, our actual kites.
Okay.
All we need is to make a cap. I shape it like this. Still needs the scissor, and then and now we're going to make the diamond. Some tape. We're going to put this. Right here. And put this little tape right here on the back. Now we need another tape. And we're using, Oh, thank you. Thank you. This is. Does it look like this? Done making the diamond, also my sister. And then too, don't forget to put the fish on here. And here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to make the wings. It'll be color red. subscribe to my channel, leave a like, ring a bell, watch some more videos. Bye!